Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about these different slimes again. Once again. Shouldn't it be this one to start? So we're going to start with the one at the top. We should start with this one because it's my first slime out of my kit. Because I'm excited. It's purple.
Guys, can we play Team Rumble?
Like a really dark purple.
Let's play creative.
Doesn't have any lumps.
Let's play creative.
It's trust if I must say it's true.
Which one?
Got it. Second slime that is done in my kit. Or I should be third because I mixed it. So we're gonna
No, already for
closey. Start slime. I swear, this is really squishy. The one I made yesterday is really good. Has no more lumps. It's good, right? Did you hear that? Pop it in, pop it in, pop it in. Looks like I've made it before. So it's really stretchy. You see that glowiness? You see it? So good. That's such a good slime. I wanna pop. It's running crackle-wackles. Why is that mysterious red star in there?
Oh my God,
There's a
happened.
mysterious red star.
I do. I'm going Mexico.
There's a mysterious red star.
Mexico, guys.
Yeah, there is. There's a mysterious red star in my vine. This one's really stressful.
Easy. Oh! It just literally
It puts a lot of glitter into your hand. A whole tub. So here I have 2 tubs of glitter. Red star glitter with a silver one. Oh, so I can put the red one back and put that silver. And then I have just normal silver glitter. I could add it, but my body says no to me. Because it's going to be a really big mess. So you can do this with slime. Put them all around your wrist. Stick it, and this one is like a pumper. So whenever you're feeling stressed, you should have a lot of the slime here. Don't really need this. But when you're feeling stressed, you should have this
You need a soft
attached
one.
to you. So
Oh. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. And when that
whenever you're feeling mad, you can just
I
write, hey people, yeah, I'm gonna feel mad about
Hey, Richie, a cuddly bear. No, Richie,
Squeeze
a
it.
onesie guy. Kill him. He's running away.
That's my slime.
Eric!
talked about the slimes now, we're gonna draw something that's only a pack of eggs. How to draw the eggs? Not the eggs. These eggs. So we're gonna draw one picture with those eggs. Got a piece of paper, of course. Put it lands. Okay? What you want to do is get the blue for the sky. Just color. Draw a line at the bottom of the blue. Wherever you want, really. So mine's coming out quite good. I'll show you. So there's a line about there. So that's what you're supposed to do. Then you want to color but not past the line. But it might leave it white because this is chart. If you're not doing it with chart, please don't. I'm actually trying not to leave out lines, but I'm always leaving them out. And now, since we've done that much, we're going to make it rainbow. We're adding a different color. I'll do use chalk. You want to watch your hands, okay? Because your chalk is really messy. Oh, red is blue. Purpley pink. Then after this, we're going to use pink. I really don't have red, so sometimes every time it's pictures red. Every time I've been playing. A rainbow sky that has white in it. And now, the bottom bit, we didn't use green because the bottom bit's going to be green. Now you want to go and watch.
So, my video's over because my dad's going to take his phone away. I think it's mine sometimes, but I've got this one, and it's called an iPod, which is what little girls have because they don't have iPhones.